Hi everyone, JK here, back with another video. So it's been a long time since I made a YouTube video, but I got something exciting today, something that's new and something that's straight from Flipkart. So this is the package, big package, and the thing inside this is a new mobile phone. I bought this phone for my mom, so I'm going to unbox this today and give you my first look impressions. So please stick till the end of the video, guys. Don't go anywhere. So let's get started. Okay guys, here's the package. It's a big package. Sorry for that wobble, and here's my special tool. Let's open this up. Okay. Okay, the package is huge, and there's a new feature called Flipkart Plus, more like Amazon Prime, I guess. But I just saw it a few days ago, and I'm also a Plus user. Sort of, it's free for everyone. Okay, that's the phone. Okay, let's get the phone out, and let's open this up. So guys, this is the phone, and this is a temper glass I bought for it. No, it's not the temper glass, I'm sorry. Let's open this up and see what's inside. I think it's the case. Yep, this is the case for the phone. Let's open it up and see how's the quality. Okay, this is a nice case, a silicone case. I think my mom would love it because it gives a lot of grip to the hand. That's it. Let's keep this aside. Coming to the phone, guys, so this is the Zenfone Max Pro. Okay, nothing more. So the one I bought is a 32GB variant and a 3GB RAM variant. Okay, it has ULD dual SIM and 5.99-inch Full HD Plus display and a Snapdragon 636. The only reason why I bought this phone is because of this, the Snapdragon 636. And my friends told me that the performance is awesome because some of my brother's friends are using this phone. The guy from Tech Tips Tamil, his friends are using this phone. Okay, unboxing. Let's open this up. V photo looks good. Okay, let's pull this out. Nice packaging. Okay, this is the gray variant. Looks absolutely stunning. I'm just gonna keep this aside for now. Okay, this is the wrapping that it came with. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Oh my god, Asus is bundling a case with it. God. Okay, this is good actually. Two cases, because this is a soft TPU case, a transparent one. Usually these cases get yellowish over time. So nice addition by Asus, and some stickers and some warranty and start guide, and this is the SIM ejector tool. Okay, cool. And what else do we get in the box? Yeah, this is a pretty big charger, and let's see what kind of charger it is. It's a normal 5V 2A charger. I hope you can see it's a normal 5V 2A charger, and Asus branded with a micro USB to USB-A cable, and this they call it the boom box or the max box or something. The speaker on this thing is super amazing, and they bundle actually a what we can say, an accessory for it. It's just a cardboard accessory, but this thing is supposed to go like this, and the phone's gonna sit like this, and it's gonna produce great bass. Yeah, something like that. I'm just going to keep everything inside. because my mom doesn't know that I already got the box and I'm doing the unboxing. So let's keep it aside. So let's put on the case supplied by Asus. Nice fit. It's the fingerprint scanner, dual camera, and front facing camera, the sensors, the power button, the volume rockers. Here's that speaker, and here's the micro USB cable, the primary microphone, and the headphone jack, and this is the secondary microphone. Here's the SIM ejection, SIM tray. Okay, let's just open and see what kind of config this is. Okay, the Asus pin is nice. It has Asus engraved in it. So most of the manufacturers don't do that. Wow, nice to see 2 SIM slots and micro SD slot. Sorry. Okay, I'm not gonna insert anything right now. My mom is out. She has our primary SIM and everything in our old phone. So let's just switch it on, guys. Powered by Android. That nice 18:9 display. It's always a good thing. Forgot the blade. That's a nice little boot animation. Okay, it's showing just a sec. Okay, hi there. So I'm just gonna skip everything. Okay, the device I set everything up. It's pretty stock Android, no bloatware, nothing. Let's see what version it's running. And system, about phone. Okay, it's running the Android version 8.1.0 Oreo, and as this looks like, this more or less feels like Android 1 device, guys. As you can see, very stock looking. Let's fire up the camera and see. Hello. Okay, touch to focus is there. Okay, beauty mode is there. Okay, and okay, I'll check these later, but first impressions, guys. Let's check the brightness. The screen gets pretty bright, and also it has the brightness sensor is there, auto brightness is there, night light is there. You can just activate it and reduce the blue light emission, so it can have a good impact on. Okay. Speaker sounds good. Okay, guys, that's the video. So that's the Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. This is the unboxing, and I'm going to give the same to my mom. I'll let you know how it holds up. Okay, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.